Welcome to the ArchDaily interview. First of all, congratulations on receiving the UIA 2030 awards in the SDG 13.1 category, focusing on strengthening resilience and adaptive capacity to climate-related disasters. So to begin with, could you introduce yourselves and tell us more about the team behind the Mamas Belgues Flooding Park project?
We are Silvia Párraga and Rafael Mira, but the team we are representing a collective of architects from Ontinyent with Ana Sanchis and Silvia and Sari Calatayud. But not only us, because not only the architects are working in this project, many engineers in collaboration with us or in previous phases, and municipal technicians have worked in a very long process since the first step of the project. It was a project very long with many people who are collaborating and working in it.
The project emerged from an emergency context related to flood risk and environmental vulnerability. Could you tell us about the initial conditions of the site and what challenges the river corridor presented before the intervention?
Okay, there used to be housing, but constructed in an industrial period. But we made a previous research, so we go to the historical archive and we found pictures, and we can see that there were agricultural land. So we proposed to return to the river what always belonged to it. So unfortunately, these events are more and more common in the Mediterranean areas. So understanding this reality, the municipality decided to address the problem through a long-term strategy, modifying the urban planning framework, relocating, demolishing the houses, establishing the slope, and finally transforming the area into a new green infrastructure capable to coexist with the dynamics of the river.
Project embraces the periodic flooding as part of the design strategy. Could you talk a little bit more about this strategy and the coexisting with the natural process?
Well, not only we believe in a strategy to base in nature, but people in the city knew that the hard infrastructure how works in this place, because previous to the project that exists a very big wall to protect the houses that exist before the demolition of them. And people knew that periodically the river grew enough to flood the houses, and it was a typical question that maybe you forget the previous one, but you know that it is turning to success in the future, maybe in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, you don't know, but maybe in these days that the climate change are affecting the situation, maybe in less time, no? So you need to change the model. It's necessary to change to change the future of these houses. So the process, the natural process was change the idea of the hard infrastructure for a solution based in nature, understanding the river and understanding the space.
Do we recognize the project as compelling model for cities dealing with increasing environmental uncertainty? What aspect of the strategy do you believe are most transferable to other flood-prone urban structures?
Concrete goals. The most interesting is to getting permeable pavements, permeable soil, and using natural-based solutions. Also, it's important to select durable materials and that can be easy to maintain, and also to put low-cost furniture, because we need to understand that floodings are part of the natural cycle of the rivers. So we know that one day it's possible they are going to flood.
Why do you think projects like this are important within the broader framework of UN SDGs?
The important is that we show that small communities have the capability to solve the problems with the proposal solutions with the climate change without big infrastructure or high-tech solutions, trying to solve the problem with systems based in nature. The project that show that resilience and high-quality spaces could be hand in hand, and you can maybe you can learn about the space when you are working. It's not only a question to apply the solution that you are making, but you are learning and understanding the place and learning about how is the solution that you are projecting and then other.
Well, thank you very much and congratulations again on the win.
Thank you.